This is Alard item Y0500, which is a particular single station Alard bag table. Our ongoing number for this model, if you want to see it on our website, is Y0500. We are doing a demonstration for a customer prospect on, and we're going to pack up some breath freshener here. Beautiful purple garlic, which is something I haven't seen us do before. These are frequently used for all sorts of pre-cut produce applications, shredded, chopped, cut, for whatever mixes, for bag salads, leafy vegetables, onions, diced carrots, shredded carrots, any kind of fresh cut produce products being put into bags. And it's all stainless steel. Has bag holders, which are pneumatic, over a platform scale, which is on a mount that is slotted for height, which can be adjusted to the size of the bag. It has an eye level over-under scale, and we'll give you a sort of a rudimentary demonstration here. So we're going to place the bag on the filling funnel here. We'll push the button, which activates the pneumatic cylinders to hold the bag in place. You then fill the bag by hand to the desired weight, keeping one eye strategically on the scale. And there's a little over-under symbol. Is that it down in the bottom right-hand corner? Or what are we shooting at? 5 pounds? Okay. And we make our 5 pounds. If you happen to be a little overly aggressive and made too much weight, you could pull a little out. Obviously, if you're below weight, you put a little more in. You push the red button, release the cylinders, and you start the process all over again. And there you go, your 5 pounds is set. So we also happen to have some beautiful ginger here, and I'm not talking ginger from Gilligan's Island, I'm talking ginger root, which we are going to fill on this new Alard single station bag packing table. The routine is the same. As described before, you put the bag on the discharge tube, you mash the green button to activate the holders, the bag holding pneumatic cylinders. You fill your fill while watching the weight on the scale there, over under. You get the weight you want, and you are ready. When you're ready, you push the red button. You take the bag off, you hand it to the guy at the bag sealer, and repeat the process once again. What is it? Rinse, lather, repeat. And so after you do this a little while, you get pretty fast at it, but suffice it to say, it's rather straightforward. And there we go. It's in the bag here at Alard. So that's pretty much the gist. If you have any question about these bag packing tables. We have single and double stations, and we can work with you on configuration if this particular setup isn't exactly what you're wanting. Give us a call at 315-589-4511. This is Alard item, well, I'm going to call it Y0500 because that's the ongoing number that lives on the web and is easiest to get a look at. And it is almost always, we sell out occasionally, but we almost always have these in stock, available for immediate shipment, brand spanking new. And we are Alard Equipment Company here in Williamson, New York.